Hello everyone, welcome to our channel ivlegal. In continuation to Indian Evidence Act lecture series, in this video we are going to discuss a short section, that is 125 of Indian Evidence Act. This is a very short section. This section deals with information as to commission of offence. So what does this convey? This section conveys that no magistrate or public officer or revenue officer shall be compelled to disclose whence he got any information as to commission of offence. That means that a magistrate or a public officer or a revenue officer cannot be compelled by the court or by any authority to disclose that from where he got any information as to commission of offence. The reasoning behind this privilege given to magistrate, public officer and revenue officer is that the people who give information must be protected. So basically, in order to ensure the protection to the source of information, this privilege is given to magistrate, public officer or revenue officer, that they are they are entitled to keep this information confidential and to not disclose the sources of their information from where they got the information as to commission of offence. That was all about this section. Now we'll talk about section 126 in our coming video. Till the time, bye bye, take care. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है then do subscribe our channel and like our videos. Goodbye, thank you.